Hello everyone, today I will show you how to compare prices using Perplexity AI. And here's how it's done. Specify the product or service. Clearly define what product or service you want to compare prices for. Be as specific as possible. Example, smartphone model XYZ, flight tickets from New York to London, or organic coffee beans. Use concise search queries. Enter short, precise keywords related to the product and use terms like price, best price, discount, or deal to help Perplexity AI focus on pricing information. As for comparative summaries, you can prompt Perplexity AI to summarize and compare prices from different sources in a clear, concise format, highlighting the best deals available. Consider location and currency. If relevant, specify your location or currency to ensure the prices gathered are applicable to your context. And that is everything to know about how to compare prices using Perplexity AI. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.